Today on MAXAPACITY, we're checking out the top riding FOHOLO F15. And this scooter came in swinging, man. We're talking 5,600 watts, dual motors, claimed 50 miles an hour, full suspension, 12-inch all-terrain tires, removable seat, and right now it's only listed at $999 instead of $1,500. But here's what's actually got my attention before I even rode it. The included front bag, the included phone mount, and 2 charging ports. That's 2 chargers in the box. That matters because a lot of companies make you buy that second charger separately, but not only that, this thing can charge twice as fast. So today, we're taking it on pavement, dirt, trail, whatever else we can find. I'm around 260 pounds, Devin's probably around half of that, so if there's a catch in the power, suspension, brakes, or range, we're probably going to find it today. And if this thing ends up being as good as it looks on paper, this might be one of the wildest scooter deals under $1,000. Links in the description. If Top Riding gets my discount code live, it'll be Max when the video drops. I'll have that in the description as well. Let's ride.
I'll wait for these fools. For this lady, I'm gonna bounce. Alrighty guys, so we're still back on the top riding FOHOLO F15, 52 volt, I think it's 5,600 watts. This thing's just a ripper, dude. Like, I love it. For sit down scooter or stand up, you can take jumps, you can do all sorts of stuff. Devin was taking it on the single track earlier. Super versatile. Dual motor makes it a hit in my opinion. A bit of a down and then an up. Oh, down. We are running. We are getting empty here. Dual motor mode for the dirt. See what happens. Pretty sick. I don't think this thing's gonna make it now. Oh, we also have eco. Oh, damn, okay. Woo!
What's up with all those rickshaw?
For shoreline. Yeah, I think there's gonna be a concert probably.
Get Eric over there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, alright. Now we're going a little bit better. So, I think I'm just gonna go on momentum. Woo! And that eco button.
That thing's cranky. And it handles it well.
It does. I like it a lot. And then the jump you took on it, or the jumps, that was sick. Woo. Oh yeah. I mean, we took these things through the ringer, man. We did multiple different phases. We did over 10, 15 miles or so. It's a interesting combo, but a deadly one. And a really cool one at that, too. Oh man. Alright, it's gonna be one of those videos where we're limping home. I always get this want to just be like, alright, just if I rip it all the way home, maybe it'll be better than me going easy all the way home, but that never works. You're just gonna rip the battery out. You'll have no battery to get home. So I'll put it in mode 2. And then be smart about my lines and try and pick up momentum where I can. You know? Try and get some more momentum here. I mean, dude, it's still bucket. You'd think that since it's red in the battery, it wouldn't have any power, but it's not. Not showing me that it doesn't have any power. What's he doing? He's harassing that poor man. Devin's on the FOHOLO F15. Gonna get some rear footage of him riding it, and he is riding it standing up, but in dual motor mode, and it's ripping. Obviously, you can tell he's having a good old time on it. Oh, gotta respect the single track and not get off of it. That's a little sketch. Oof. This is fun, man. A little bit of single track out here. I'm just trying to tail him on the bebop. And as you can see, we are not able to catch him as quickly as we'd like. We almost had a spill there. I gotta catch up to give you guys some good footage of the FOHOLO. He's tearing up the single track on that top riding FOHOLO F15. Look at him go, guys. I'm gonna try and catch him. We'll see.
Alright, final thoughts on the top riding FOHOLO F15. This thing honestly is impressive. For the money, you're getting a lot here. Dual motors, real pull, 12-inch all-terrain tires, suspension that actually holds up and jumps, a removable seat, a front bag, a phone mount, dual charging ports, and 2 chargers in the box. That is pretty stacked setup for a scooter, honestly, for like $1,000. And after getting it on the pavement dirt trail and that little single track section, this thing is way more fun than I expected. It's not just a commuter scooter, it actually wants to be ridden hard. Is it perfect? No scooter is, but for the price, the power, and everything they include, this is one of the better scooter deals I've really tested. If you want to check it out, I'll have the link down in the description. Use code MAX at checkout, it'll take $50 off. I tested it out for myself and it works. This thing's dual motor and it rips, guys. If you really want a cool scooter, check it out. So, don't pay full price either. MAXAPACITY out.